Wheels monster trucks, Bigfoot, celebrating 50 years, 2025. On the back of the package, here it is. We got Bigfoot, the name, truck type, pickup strength, car crushing shocks, crash attack, original stomp. And here are the other trucks in this series. So let's go ahead and unbox Bigfoot. In this series, Bigfoot is in the leading legends, number 5 of 7. Here is Bigfoot out of the package with those white wheels, black tires, black roll cage, and a silver base. And then there are the name of the truck, Hot Wheels logo, Summit Racing Equipment, and then it just says Monster Trucks down below where my thumb is. We get the Firestone logo as well, and this is looks very sparkly on the truck itself. Here is now the racing stripes on the hood and roof, and then we get the motor popping out, since this is from the Bigfoot 1 die-cast body. And here is this side, and then the back just says Bigfoot on the tailgate. So this is the second time now we get the Bigfoot racing racer, I should say, because you might have remembered this version that we got, and now we have this one. So thank you for tuning in. Hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing and review of the Bigfoot Racer.